The Jetson ONE is a eVTOL aircraft that was developed by Swedish company. It is a type of personal aircraft known as an eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing. It is a 102 horsepower battery-operated aircraft with 8 electric motors. To fly the single-seat aircraft, the operator does not need to have a pilot license nor have any special training. The company's goal is to make safe personal electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft available to everyone. A beautiful and lightweight design in aluminum and carbon fiber that is incredibly fun to fly. It has 8 powerful motors, driving an equal amount of propellers. The propulsion system has a massive power output, making flight effortless and fun. The Jetson ONE has a race car-inspired safety cell that protects the pilot, can sustain continuous flight with the loss of one motor, has an auto-land function, and multiple safety features to protect the pilot in case of an emergency. The safety features of the aircraft include complete propulsion redundancy, triple redundant flight computer, ballistic parachute, safety cell chassis, hands-free hover, and emergency hold functions. The aircraft is being produced under FAA rules and, as such, owners do not need a pilot's license to fly it. In August 2020, the Jetson website stated that a complete eVTOL aircraft is $59,000 and is delivered as a partially assembled kit for home completion. It contains everything needed to build it for flying. From the aluminum space frame to motor controllers, propellers, motors, and detailed building instructions.